All right, so in this video, I wanted to show you my water meter. So you can see that the water meter is inside of a valve box. That box, seated right here, has a protective cover. It also has a smaller window that opens up so you can see the register directly without having to open up the entire lid. Also in this, with this water meter, you can see on the side closest to me right here where I'm pointing at, this right here is our angle stop. This is how the water agency would start and stop flow to our house, right, on the inlet side of the meter. You can see this little loop here. So when that swings all the way around in 180 degrees, that valve is completely closed, and then the water agency can then lock that valve should my water service be cut off for any reason such as non-payment. So water enters up through this side right here at this angle stop. You can see the water then travels through the register here. So you can see that this again is another totalitizing meter where this register continually adds and adds and adds and adds. This particular meter here reads in cubic feet. There is also this small red dial here that is also another version of a low flow indicator. So this moves with very, very low flows, as we mentioned before. You can see it's a 5/8 of an inch meter here. You can also see that on the other side, this is actually the customer side, we have another ball valve here as a way to isolate flow after the meter, right? So this is something that I use whenever I'm doing any work on the house that involves cutting off water to the entire supply of the home. So again, that's a ball valve there, 90-degree turn to close. And then backing out here, you can see this is a newer device that they've added. And this is actually for the AMI system that the agency has started to use, or the advanced metering infrastructure. Where before this meter was a touch read meter where someone would have to come by and tap the reader with a handheld unit to get the read. But with this new addition here, this actually sends a signal to a nearby radio tower, which then picks up that signal and transfers it back to the district. So from sitting in a computer at the water agency headquarters, I can pick up every read on every meter throughout our system using this advanced meter infrastructure technology.